Hey, what's up guys? Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about how to use Twitter lists. Before we jump into the video, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now, Twitter lists is probably one of my favorite features on this platform. I don't know what I would do without the lists. Let me show you the importance of lists. So here's my Twitter. Now, if I go to home, it's all kinds of stuff. Yeah, it's the ads, it's the people I follow, but this is like out of control. And yeah, I can clean it up, but it's still like out of control. So what I like to do is create different Twitter lists and add people, the relevant people I want to see tweets from inside that list. Yes, that's how you can clean up your Twitter experience or improve it. Now let me show you one of my lists. If I go to lists, there are several lists that I have created, some other people have, and I've subscribed to those. But for example, here's one of my lists, favorite tweets. So these are 30 people that I like to see content from, and it's a private list. And see, it's exactly, I want to see the news about social media. I want to see different products from Product Hunt, Social Media Today. This is exactly the type of content I want to consume. Yes, so you can pick and choose the type of people you want to see tweets from. Very, very powerful feature. So instead of spending time on the home, I can go to the exact list and then consume content from the accounts that I care about. And you can create lists. So in this case, I'm curating content from different accounts that I care about. But if you step back, you can add your competition, like if you're different competitors, to a list and then watch them, right? You can also add different bloggers or journalists who write about the topics that you care about, right? So there are different ways of organizing your lists. So now let's talk about how do you create a Twitter list, right? So I'm going to go back to the list here, and to create one, you'll just click on this, and you can give it a name, a description, and also if you want to make it private. That's it. So I could say test list. If you make it private, no one else will see it. If you make it public, then other people can also subscribe to your list. So it's totally up to you. If you're making a list of your competition, maybe you want to make it private, but totally up to you. And then once you create it, basically, I'm not going to create one right now. It's going to look just like this, right? So here are different lists that I have. Now, if you want to add someone to the list, right? So basically, you can go pick an account that you like. So let me pick someone. Let's see. Who do I want to add? So let's add Howard. I don't know who he is. He's financial professional, so probably not the type of account I would like to add because that's not my core topic. Anyway, so once you find someone you want to add to your list, basically you will click on these three dots, and you're going to see add and remove from lists. So you'll click on that, and then you can add them to your list. How simple is that? So Twitter list is a very powerful feature. You can add people that you care about, different content sources, bloggers, influencers, competition, and then only consume content. Instead of spending time on the home feed of Twitter, I like to spend time on the different lists, so my content consumption experience is actually high quality. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave those below in the comments. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.